My name is Patrick Pavletko, and I'm currently serving a one-year fellowship with Green Empowerment, serving as Green Empowerment's Myanmar Projects Officer. My fellowship is funded by the All People Be Happy Foundation and Green Empowerment. Right now I'm sitting in Yangon, and this is where I spend a lot of my time working with the Renewable Energy Association Myanmar, which is Green Empowerment's local partner here. But I also spend a lot of time in the capital of Shan State to the north of here. That city is called Taunji. When I first arrived in Myanmar, one of my primary objectives here was to work with the newly formed Small Hydropower Association of Myanmar. My own background is in microhydro engineering and microhydropower design, especially of microhydro turbines. And I had done some work in the past with Green Empowerment's Borneo office with Gabe Wynn there. And so one of the immediate places where I could fit in here in Myanmar is to start working with the microhydro practitioners here. One of the things that we learned quickly is that the private sector in this country is a lot different than the private sector activities in other countries that I've worked, at least, where the government in this country has been so isolated from foreign donors or even from government donors of renewable energy and rural electrification projects, that it's been a real difficult struggle for these small private sector practitioners to make ends meet, let's say. So one of the first things that I came in here trying to understand is, first, what is the dynamics of the private sector in this country? And second, how can we support? I mean, to understand that we can look at other countries in this region like Sri Lanka, Nepal, Indonesia, and even Borneo, to take as an example, we can look at those countries as an idea of where we should be heading. That's kind of the gold standard of rural electrification and sustainable development of renewable energies in rural areas. And so to see that's our target goal, and then to understand the dynamics of what's keeping the Myanmar microhydropower sector stuck in time a little bit, it opened up a lot of complexities with the government, with the investment environment here, with the technological ability, with the ability of engineers here to even access knowledge that they would need to be successful microhydropower practitioners. And there's a whole other level of ethnic strife or ethnic conflict. There's territorial disputes in areas of this country. So there's a lot of layers of what's causing this country to still have difficulties in this one specific technology. My role here is not just limited to microhydropower. We're also exploring biomass gasification, and in that regard we're trying to look at some ways in which newer technology like smart grids, so smart meters that can be applied to mini-grids, how that can be integrated into existing biomass gasification technology, which has proven quite successful in some areas of Myanmar.